Good day, DCMJ. Right now, we are here on the Unleash, and together, later, we will witness the contract signing of the Unleash and UAS. And today, with us is the Director of Operation of the Unleash, no other than Mr. Moody Chapar. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. I'm so much excited. Ano po ba ito? Is this the first time para sa mga pet lover natin na magkakaroon tayo ng pets app dito sa Pilipinas?
Actually, this is not the first time. But Unleash is the one-stop shop for all. So we have several mobile applications already up in the Google Play and in iOS. But this is the only one that features everything, all you need for your pets.
Like sa DTI, parang magiging one-stop shop.
One-stop shop, opo. Just like what I've been telling you a while ago. So for Unleash, we have the social media part, we have the animal where you can buy all your consumables for your pet.
Nasaan pwede natin mapakita yon para at least para ano yung i-download nilang app. So ito pong animal.
So for the Unleash, no, we have the feed portion. This is the social media side of the of our mobile app. Then we have the treats. So this is one of the unique characteristic and features of the app, wherein if you have observed in some social media platforms where they give tokens for the bloggers or anyone, the stars. Here we have the treats to give to those individual as well. So we also feature the animal. This is your one-stop shop for all your pet needs, from your consumables to your grooming, and we're now putting here the 911 for pets as well.
Para kumbaga yung veterinary na is 24/7.
Yes, 24/7. Yes, hindi na po kayo mag-worry kasi minsan katulad ko, I'm just a new pet parent, no? So I've been wondering, and also I'm new on my area. So parang sabi ko, saan ba ako kukuha ng vet? Saan ba tayo kukuha ng mga grooming services? So here, hindi ko na po problemahin because it's all here, wherein naka-geolocation to, kung saan makikita mo real time kung ano yung mga services at yung mga shops na malapit sa iyo.
So ano po yung pinaka-apps, yung name ng apps ng Unleash?
Here, we call it Unleash.
So,
yes, it's available in Google Play and also in iOS devices. Yeah.
So yan siya para sir, for lastly, I have your message para po doon sa mga pet lover na hindi na sila ma-stress at dahil one-stop shop na tayo. Kumbaga ito ngayon, si Unleash is the pet authority na natin.
Yes, that's what we're trying to do, no? So for those pet parents out there, we want you to download the app so that mawawala na yung problem nyo patungkol sa mga pets ninyo, no? So you will be able to provide your pets with all the necessary things, consumables, to grooming, to the services that they need without worrying.
Thank you so much. Very well said po, Sir Moody Chapar. You've just heard our short and brief interview regarding the Unleash app. And you heard no other than the Director of Operation of the Unleash, no other than Sir Moody Chapar. This is MJ Albina Balaguer of DCMJ Online, Dawa Sakat Makabuluhang Journalismo. Your happiness channel.